today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the range identifier indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the range identifier indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 62 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 811 indicators, with 329 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 21 of the winning indicators. This one will be the 22nd. 8 of them have been able to maintain their winning status. The best one, a 76% win rate. Now, keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we will be taking a look at an advanced testing of the range identifier indicator. And so this one we tested, of course, way back when. It's been quite a while since we tested this particular indicator. And this indicator you can see here on the bottom of the screen. And so basically what we have is the oscillating line here, and we have kind of these two zoned lines. We have an upper line here and a lower line. They are the dotted lines there. And what we have is the oscillating line here being within those two lines there, the upper line and the bottom line. In that center zone is kind of a range, identifying the range in the market. And then as they break out to the upside or the downside, that then identifies a trend, a potential trend taking place. And so in the original video, I think this one did the 16 or 18 trades in the 1 year's time. And so it was we were able to test it again on the daily because it was over that 10 trade marker that we are looking for. And so in the original video, what I did was I went in and I changed the background, or I bumped up the opacity of the backgrounds. And so the color 0 here was green. I bumped it up to 50. The color 1 there is red, and I bumped that one also up to 50. And that gives us the nice vibrant background coloration that we see now. And so as you can probably guess, and as we tested in the original video, what we're looking for is when the background goes green, then that is going to be a signal to go long. When the background goes red, that is going to be a signal to go short. And so And that's how I tested it over the 50 trades test. Again, that's how I tested it on the original video. So taking a look at this right here, you can see as the oscillating line here is just kind of bouncing right within these two dotted lines, the upper line and the lower line. You can see there isn't much price action or trend taking place. A little bit of an uptrend, but for the most part, we're just kind of ranging sideways and not moving much. And then you can see right here, we get a spike to the upside. And as we get that spike to the upside, we get the green coloration in the background. And you can see that measuring off of that one went up about 136 pips right there. And so that would have gotten us to our take profit right there on that one. Then we pick up a short over here as the oscillating line kind of cuts down through that middle section and pops out on the downside there, as price is making a pretty nice move to the downside there. And so this right here would have marked our downtrend, the short signal there that we got on the background there in red. And you can see that we get a decent push to the downside there, which would have come down and got us to our take profit. Now it's possible that we would have, yes, we hit take profit actually on this candle right here, and then it does also close there and gives us another short signal. Let's see, that one would have gotten us close to our take profit, but not quite. And then it kind of wraps up here, starts to roll up and take off to the upside there. And we would have picked up a long right there, which, as you can see, climbed up really nicely there, also getting us to our take profit. So that's how we tested it in this video. That's how we tested it in the first video. And so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and put up the video of the 50 trade test, and we'll pick it up on the other side to take a look at what it was able to achieve. All right, so before we take a look at what it was able to achieve over the 50 trade test, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It is free to join. We have quite a few channels here that you are welcome to join and take part of any of these channels for free. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some advanced information that we're putting out for everyone to see. And so, for example, one of our members, Sasquatch here, is an awesome Forex prop trader, putting up charts like this on a regular basis, where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and sometimes even trades that he's looking to take. So here's one that he posted, not quite the full trade, but you can kind of see there. He didn't post it quite before that trade was entered in on, but does it every now and then. Well, he'll post it right before the trade is actually triggered. This is some of our other members here. They are also posting some really great Forex analysis and charts for everybody to kind of take advantage of and learn from. See, here's that chart right there from above here. And so you can see that the our member here called out that trade there, and if we scroll down here, you can see that that thing shot up out of there really nicely. That's a great call by OTC 3030 there. Wonderful stuff. And you can see they will often put up charts like this or post their results and stuff, just kind of inspiring everybody. Our admin Jay has also been trading the Forex market again here recently, and the futures market. And so just a wonderful environment, everybody working with each other, helping to support each other, answer questions, and just kind of feed off of everybody's success. Highly recommend that you join us. All right, back to our indicator here. So 50 trades that we took here. Out of those 50 trades, we got 27 winners. So that puts us at a 54% win rate. And so obviously that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we were looking for. I thought this one would do a little bit better. It seemed like it was doing really well, but there were kind of moments where it was calling trades in areas where it was just a little bit too quick. It's catching every kind of little move the market was making. And for a range identifying indicator, you can see that sometimes when we ran into a range right here that was kind of loose enough that the indicator wasn't really able to handle that or identify that. And those are really the areas that it just kind of got beat down, is when it would hit these kind of wide ranging areas and it would just keep spiking trades one direction and another. And so, all right, that's it for this one. It's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.